This has been a crazy year for us. We've done more projects this year than we have in the last 5. And I call my wife and her sisters the Blantourage, and they're part of our team. We're a close-knit family. One's a realtor and the other we're actually making into a client. We're gonna move a house for her. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you a little bit about the farmhouse we're moving, but let's check in on the project that we started about a year ago, and I made a couple videos and I never finished the update, so here it is.
Gonna make it a sight line from the front of the house all the way to the back of the house where the kitchen is. Like that. Let's get to work.
This is the old mill house in Concord, North Carolina, and it really wasn't much to look at when we started. And what you're gonna see is you're gonna see some before and afters, and it's all the same house. It's hard to believe. I did the work and it's still hard for me to believe that this is the same house. And so a lot of people, they always ask me, would it have been easier to tear it down? And the truth is, no. I mean, this was a lot of work, but the money we put into it and then what we sold it for, we had a great profit. So I think it was worth doing all the work. And honestly, I started this because I wanted to prove, I would watch house flippers and all these guys, and I wanted to prove that you could do a beautiful house and still make money. And that's exactly what we've done. And we couldn't be prouder to do this in our community. Okay, so now that you've seen what we've been up to, let me tell you what we're planning next. We're actually gonna move a 3,400 square foot farmhouse 5 miles down the road to 2 acres of land. And the reason we have to move this farmhouse is because developers have bought the land, and it's one of the town's original farmhouses. It should never be torn down, but they have to do it. Well, they don't have to, but they want to do it in order to move these apartments into our town. So build the apartments into our town. So if you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that button, and I'm gonna actually show you guys how to move a house out into the country. And then once it's out there, we're gonna have to gut it, and then we're gonna do a full renovation. But here are some of the photos of the house that we're gonna move. So follow along, because we should start our land prep in the next 4 weeks, and it's just gonna go fast. And then we're gonna be moving the house by end of July, maybe sometime in August. We're having our 5th kid in August, so we've really got to move on this thing fast. And we'll let it sit for a little bit, let the baby, get a little fresh, and then we'll start renovating again. But we're super excited, and so follow along if you're interested. So that's it.